There's a video on Hamza's channel where he has said this.
Tape your mouth at night time. This sounds really insane and it sounds really scary. Go to sleep with this tape on. You're not going to suffocate or anything, like. But even though it looks kind of flimsy, you'll automatically breathe from your nose. The issue is, when you first start this, you'll be able to breathe from your nose for literally just minutes, and then you'll get pissed off and you'll rip it off. I've personally found that when the same piece of tape stays on your mouth during the entire night, that's when your sleep has been incredibly improved.
So I got some tape over here and I'm gonna use it every single night to tape it over my mouth so I can check if Hamza's advice is worth or not, and if it will actually help me or not. I have already tried it tonight and I woke up with tape nowhere to be found, so it did fell off my mouth, which means I did open my mouth while sleeping, which is not good. You should wake up with it still being on your mouth. So I'm gonna use it for the next 2 weeks and then I'm gonna come back and tell you what exactly has happened and did it help me. Yeah, I started about a week ago and so far it's been going really good. The first time I ever did it, I told you the tape went away in the morning, but the second time straight away it was good, it stayed on. It did stay on every single day after that, and I think I'm seeing some little results. It's nothing life-changing if I have to be honest, at least not yet, but I am seeing a little bit of results. It's a little bit more natural for me to breathe on my nose instead of my mouth, but maybe I'm not seeing huge results because I've been doing this nose breathing for a long time and I'm already kind of used to it, so this tape thing is just giving me a little results. Maybe if you're a beginner, maybe if you're always breathing on your mouth, maybe this thing will bring you more results than me, but yeah, we still have 1 more week, so I'm gonna check in with you when that comes and we're gonna see the results then. Okay, so good morning. I just woke up and I don't have much time, so I'm gonna record this now. If I'm being honest, I actually been noticing more and more good things about this thing as I had it for a longer time. It's been like 2 weeks now, a bit over 2 weeks, and I'm actually getting more and more used to breathing with my nose, so I think this is working pretty good. Again, I'm gonna keep on doing this, I'm not gonna stop now. It's also not difficult, it's pretty easy thing to do. It's kind of, you know, it's kind of unnatural at first to breathe on your nose, but it gets easier, and it absolutely, I think it absolutely does help a lot with getting used to breathing with your nose, which is really good for you. You should absolutely strive for breathing only on your nose. I even saw a guy who was putting the tape over his mouth while he was playing football, so he could like breathe through the nose while he's running, which is, I don't know if that is too much or maybe that's actually good too, so you should consider it. But definitely this thing while you're sleeping, it's also safe, you don't have to worry about it, because this tape, you should not put duct tape over your mouth. This tape is pretty easy to tear, so if you would like instantly open your mouth, the tape would go away, you know, it's not a problem. So I definitely recommend trying this because I believe that it does help, and I believe that it does keep helping me, and I think I'll keep on wearing it. So yeah, thank you Hamza for this tip. With this experiment, I give it a 7 out of 10 rating. It's not, you know, it's not a life-changing thing or anything, but it's a pretty good thing and it's not difficult to do, so absolutely recommend everyone trying it. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this video. Been recording it for over 2 weeks, so if you liked it, you can press a like. If you want to see more videos of mine, there's plenty on my channel, so if you want to see it, you can subscribe. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.